Are you still doing gym membership signups manually and you want to get rid out of this problem? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate gym membership signups via WhatsApp, and that will done in just 3 steps. Where at first we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever any user send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the gym membership signups, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate gym membership signups via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your gym members instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of gym. Here I am sending my first message as join gym. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that choose your membership plan, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of plans that are available in this, that is monthly plan, quarterly plan and annual plan, including their price. Here I am selecting this monthly plan option. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that please share your full name for the registration. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me for my contact number. So I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this. You are just one step away from sign up your membership plan and starting your fitness journey with us. Please complete your payment securely by clicking the link below, while providing me one payment link and one message, that is, once you have made the payment, kindly share the transaction ID here so we can confirm and activate your membership right away. So after doing one test payment by clicking on this link, here I am providing the transaction ID. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that congratulations test user, your monthly plan membership is now officially confirmed. Welcome to Iron Fit Gym. We are excited to have you join our fitness family. You can see the bot will respond to me by my name that I have given as test user. Also mention the monthly plan that I have selected from the list. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your gym membership signups via WhatsApp, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this button plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to connect your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate gym membership signups via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so here I am entering the first keyword as join gym. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding two more keywords, sign up and membership. Here I added only 3 keywords. You can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of gym, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by providing them the list of membership plans. For that I am taking one list button, drag this message box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. Then the next one is the enter body box, where you have to write the body of your message. So here I am entering my message as choose your membership plan. After that you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. It is also an optional, so I am leaving this blank. For that I am clicking on this H section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write my section title as gym member. After writing it, now I want to add the types of membership plan. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write my first membership plan in this enter title box as membership plan. After that, now I want to add the types of membership plan that are available in my gym. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the first membership plan in this enter title box. Here I added, that is monthly plan, and I am going to write the price of this monthly plan in this enter description box. Here I added. Now after that I want to add 2 more membership plans. For that I am again clicking on this plus add items button 2 times. 3, here I am going to adding only 3. You can add multiple. Here I added, that is quarterly plan and annual plan, including their prices. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is triggered, to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of gym, then automatically my bot will send them the list of the membership plan. After that, whenever my user will select the membership plan, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am going to set the custom field. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. I'll drag this box here where I am going to select my contact custom field as plan type. After that, in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is monthly plan, because I set this contact contact custom field specifically for this monthly plan. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field and why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow, because if you won't save your flow, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever switching a new tab or going anywhere, save your flow at first. For creating this contact custom, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, contact custom field is used. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your field. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of plan type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. So here I have selected the contact custom field as plan type. After that, now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connect. Now for both of these also, I am going to set the contact custom field node. For that, I am again taking two set custom field nodes. Drag this boxes here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as plan type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is quarterly plan. After that, for the last one also I am going to select the contact custom field as plan type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this annual plan. You can see I use three contact custom field nodes here, but the contact custom field I have selected inside it will same. I only change the value. This will help my bot to provide the customized message to my users based on their selected plan type. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message and this to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, whenever my user will select the plan type, then my bot will ask them to provide their full name. For that, I am taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as, please share your full name for the registration. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I'll select as name should always be in the format of text. Then the number of attempts. Number of attempts defined as how many times your user will able to provide you the answer of the question that you have asked. Whenever your user will not answer in the proper format, then you can increase this number of attempt. But make sure that if you increase this number of attempt, then you can also write the validation message in this enter validation message box. As I gave the number of attempt as only one, so there is no requirement of any validation message. That's why I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting all these three circles to this message. Because whenever my user will select the plan type, then at first my bot will ask my user to provide their full name. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number. For that, I am again taking one ask question button. Drag this question box here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be same. You can add as many questions as you want and completely based on your choice. Here I added the question that can you please provide your contact number for membership confirmation. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as number. Then you have to provide the minimum value, also maximum value. So this is the default value for number, that is 10 times 1 is the minimum value and 10 times 9 is the maximum value, while you are asking about the contact number of your user. After that, the number of attempt I provide as 1. That's why I'm not writing any validation message. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message where it is connect. Whenever my user will provide me their full name. Now in the next, when I got the number of my user, then I want them to do the payment. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here, where I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. Here I added the message. Also, I write in this message that please complete your payment securely by clicking the link below. Also mentioned one test payment link and one message that is once you have made the payment, kindly share the transaction ID here so we can confirm and activate your membership right away. So for that, I am selecting the contact custom field as transaction ID. After that, the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. And now after this step, I am going to set one tag. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as add tag. Drag this box here where I am going to select the tag as gym member. Tags helps us to label and categorize data for easy organization and automation in Pabbly Chatflow. Here I already created this tag before by the name of gym member. That's why I selected this. After that, if you want to create a new tag, then you can click on this create tag button where you have to write the name of your tag in this tag name box. Also, if you want to allow auto tagging, then you can enable this toggle. After that, you have to click on this add tag button. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. In the next, when all the process should done, then at last my bot will reply to my users by providing them the customized message which includes their name and the membership type that they were selected from the list. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button. Drag this box here and writing a message in this enter message box. Here I write that is congratulations with dollar symbol full name. You can see I used dollar symbol before full name and the plan type because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will automatically capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their name in this place. Also same for the plan type. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field, that it makes data dynamic. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate gym membership signups via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Also make sure that to enable this toggle. If you won't enable this toggle, then your flow will be deactivated and it does not give any response to your users. You can also create this WhatsApp chatbot for your gym membership signups. If you face any difficulties while creating this WhatsApp chatbot, then you can feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this, you have to click on this flows option. Then click on this three dots. After that, in this share flow option, here it will provide you one share flow link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. But you have to make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalog and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. This WhatsApp automated chatbot will help you to automate the membership signups in your gym by replying to them 24/7, providing them the membership plan that are available in your gym. Also ask about their full name, share the payment link and provide them the customized message based on their data. And the best part is this WhatsApp automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.